Still recovering from COVID-19, another possible global threat, the zombie deer disease, haunts our wildlife and forests. The term zombie deer disease, scientifically known as chronic wasting disease or CWD, has recently been making headlines, spreading among the deer, elk, and moose population at an alarming rate, causing a stir in public health spaces. But should we really be scared? CWD is a neurological mutation disorder. Once a deer is infected, it causes a range of symptoms such as stumbling, listlessness, drooping ears, drooling, loss of body coordination, altered behavior which leads to lack of fear, and aggressiveness towards humans or other animals, hence the zombie moniker, which resembles closely to what we've seen in movies, but this isn't a horror movie. It's very real and very deadly disease that is spreading through North American deer populations and even making its way to European neighbors. Currently, the latest confirmed cases has expanded to at least 32 states in the U.S. This disease was first discovered in the late 1960s, and it had since then slowly spread across the North America soil. The most infamous of similar brain disease is the mad cow disease. Humans were indeed infected by its variant form, CJD, which caused a global panic in the early 90s. More than 4 million of cow population were massacred around the globe just to keep us safe. Unlike the COVID-19 virus, CWD is a disease caused by mutated proteins, or prions, which is a transmissible spongiform encephalopathy. In simpler terms, it's a brain disease that converts normal proteins into abnormal ones. It causes sponge-like effect and holes in the brain, which then lead to fatalities. These pathogens are not easily destroyed by cooking as lab tests found. They can withstand high heat and long incubation periods before the carrier show any symptoms at all, leading to fears that people could contract the disease by eating infected meat without knowing or how to respond. However, the zombie deer disease, unlike the mad cow disease pathogen variant, has not jumped species yet. There have been no reported cases of transmission to humans, and if we're lucky, let's keep it that way. But why there's still a sense of unease among scientists and public health officials? This concern stems from an alarming discovery at a Canadian research facility. Monkeys fed with infected deer meat developed the CWD disease. Although human biology differs from these primates, if monkeys can get infected by it, we can't completely disregard that it can, too, infect us. Additionally, this disease is extremely contagious, which makes it even more terrifying. It can spread through direct contact or indirectly through environmental contamination. There are no known treatments or vaccines for CWD yet. Once a deer contracts it, the disease is fatal and irreversible. An added concern is the disease's tenacity. Prions can survive in soil for years, meaning it can infect animals long after an afflicted one has died. Furthermore, studies show prion diseases can mutate over time. This adaptation raises the fear that CWD could mutate enough to infect humans. The potential for a zoonotic disease, one that leaps from animals to humans, is never out of the question. Though there's no solid evidence that humans could be infected, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, advises against eating meat from infected animals. It's better safe than sorry, after all. Researchers are still trying to find definitive answers to these questions. Until then, the potential for human infection remains a very real concern and should not be taken lightly. Precautions should still be taken if you like hunting around the woods. Always wear gloves when handling animal carcasses and avoid direct contact with the brain or spinal cord of the animal, especially if you're in an area where the disease has been reported. Before we end this video, I urge everyone to work together to keep our forests safe. Let's not forget the COVID-19 tragedies we all been through. Remember that our actions can make a difference for the community and the human race. God bless us.
If you like our video, please like and click the bell button to subscribe to our channel for more videos. That's all for today. See you on the next video.